Pindah ka pelanggaon.
Yun ka
Okay, Carben right. Carben Florida ko palang guys. Maura gid may lain. Imo day. Big na no.
Di man na mo anak bad boy man na siya.
Tama pa. Ha?
Di sad pwede siya sa lima kasi just call me a boiled egg.
Kinsa may boiled egg?
Ako.
Why?
Just only that I am a boiled egg.
Your head is boiled egg? It's handsome man.
No.
It's so handsome little boy.
No.
Kinsa na ko palanggaon.
Ba't lang? Yun nun.
Kakinda no.
Ba't yun nun nga
Okay
bata?
guys.
Ba't yun?